Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Prestashop. In order to do so, here we are at prestashop.com. And what is Prestashop all about? Well, you can sell online on a fully customizable e-commerce platform adapted to the growth of your business. And you can click here to get started, but let's go ahead and take a look at the home page to see what Prestashop is already about. More than 250,000 merchants are already on Prestashop, and we can see a variety of store examples here. The e-commerce platform of your success. And this will give you an idea of what Prestashop is like. Made for commerce, built for success. You're in control with Prestashop. You have full ownership of your online store and all its data, because we believe should be enhanced, not limited by technology. Your store, your way. Stand out from your competitors. Thousands of modules and themes are available to convert future visitors of your website into local customers of your brand. Scalability. We're in this for the long run. For new entrepreneurs to accomplished business leaders, anyone can start and grow with Prestashop, scaling from hundreds to millions in revenue. And we're here to help. Get all the help you need from our dedicated support team. Go further on your e-commerce journey using our wide range of resources and services. Feel empowered by the strength of our community. You can become an expert, become a partner, have an open source project. So that's something you could take a look at there. You could find out more about the partners that work with Prestashop. But let's go ahead and click on Get Started. And it says here, our offers give you the freedom to design your store how you want it with the support you need to launch, grow, and evolve your business. So here we have the classic, set up your own store to build your e-commerce business. It's a free download. Discover Classic based on the version 8 of the Prestashop software, customizable classic theme, all-in-one payment solution, automated ads on Google Networks, marketing automation, shipping service, comprehensive analytics tool. There is the hosted, which is about 24, thinking pounds, but could be wrong about that. But all the features of the classic, plus powerful hosting with Gandhi, installation of your online store, automatic VAT calculation according to country of residence, GDPR compliance and cookie management, support 6 days a week by email or phone, guided tour in the back office to help you create your store. Or you have the enterprise, and you can click here to learn more about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at, let's see here. I'm going to head back up here to the top. Let's go ahead and show offers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and discover the classic. So download Prestashop for free. So you can download it for free and develop your e-commerce business on your own. So we're going to go ahead and go through the steps here. And we need to enter in our email. Go ahead and say, I want to sell online, plan launch of your online shop. We'll just say in less than a month, and we're ready to download. So that is downloading now, and we'll go ahead and go through the installation steps. So we have our zip file here. We're going to go ahead and show in folder. Bring that over here. Open that up. And let's go ahead and we're going to head back here. We're going to unzip. We're going to extract all. And we'll go ahead and just extract it here. You can extract it wherever you want, but we'll just keep it simple. And let's see here. So looks like we've got another extraction. So let's go ahead and we'll say extract all. Extract there. And we'll just let that work. So once that's finished installing, you're ready to use Prestashop, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.